Y'all, I got another one in my DJ Khaled voice. This is from Forever Bloom Skincare. Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? Have you heard of it? Say you've heard of it. Sorry, that was a little intense. But have you? They sent me this. This is supposed to be the coolest thing. Biomimic Foundation. So I'm going to turn the beauty filter off and show you real life. And we're going to try this stuff. Oh, Lord. Let's try. Okay. So this is foundation that's supposed to go on clear and then magically change to your skin tone. So it looks like this. So I think I'm just going to do it on one side of my face first. It says to put it on with your fingertips. So, just like lotion. How do it know? How do it know? Y'all, look at the difference. It doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup. But I am. And everything is just flawless. Without anything else. This has SPF 50 in it. So this is like the perfect thing to wear to the beach. You don't want to go barefaced, but you don't want to look all beat-faced either. Perfect. And it has SPF 50, so protect your skin. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest and do a little bit of eyeballs. And I'll be right back to show you what it looks like with everything. Y'all, this may be my new favorite thing. Look at this. All I have on is this with a little bit of powder contour, you know, my little Wet n Wild powder contour. That's it. Look at that. I'm going to the beach. Y'all need to run to the TikTok shop and grab this. There's two colors, light spectrum and medium spectrum. This is the medium because it's summertime. But if you're a little pale baby, little vampire, gothic, love you so much, your skin is so beautiful and I'm gonna look like a leather handbag. Get the light spectrum. But seriously, this is gonna be my new go-to. It's so light. I just set it with a little bit of that contour palette and that's it. We're going to the beach.